Finally, my storage unit is I've paid the last month and I've got everything out of it now that I can get out. So the only things left are waiting for assistance to get, like, there's some big shelves and a few things that belong to one of my children. So they're going to help with that. And there's only two things of mine in there which won't fit in my car. So I need help with, um, and then that'll be it. No more storage fees next month. So that's a bonus. And because what's been, that's probably what I've been focusing on the last month, actually. I've had quite a few weekends where, like, the first weekend was getting shelving that fitted because I get short shelving. And then there's one little storage room here as well. So that took a little while to find where I could get shelving that would actually fit and then go and buy it, pick it up, put it together. The first one that I put together took way too long. Then I've had a couple of weekends where I've just gone back and forth, gotten stuff out of storage, then and trying to work out what's going in the bin that I won't keep anymore, which there hasn't been much of that, but there has been a little bit. And then going and getting proper containers that are see-through so that I know what's in there and that are the right sizes. So that's been a real win and it feels quite good. And I've actually still got space. My storage clean out is I had some moving boxes. So I stuck them up on Facebook
Yeah.
on Marketplace. So I was just going to put them up for free. And my friend, she just said, yeah, but my friend, like, she uses Facebook a lot. And she just said, oh, no, she said, people are always selling moving boxes. I said, what, they sell them? She said, yeah. So honestly, I had these boxes. So I went and, because I thought, how much did I pay for the boxes? Them up, there's 19 boxes plus a bit of bubble wrap. And of those, 16 of those boxes are actual Storage King ones. The others are just, So I thought that was a lot. Because when I went on and had a look, I thought, heaps of them, and they're selling them for $2 and $3 a box. And I thought, huh, okay. So mine are a bit cheaper than that. Well, let me tell you, within an hour of putting it up, I've had six people wanting them. So that tells me that $2 to $3 a box is normal price and that my $30 for all of them was a bargain. But I would rather put them up for a bargain because I just decided, like, my storage unit was costing $120 a month. The only reason I'd kept these boxes because these were the heavy duty ones and were hadn't been wrecked, like, because some of them that I've kept over the years, like, they needed to go out. Do you know what I mean? It gets to a point where they've been well used. So, and I just thought, well, while I've got the storage unit, it seems silly not to keep them just in case I move, but I'm not going to keep storage boxes at $120 a month if that's all I can't store. So now that everything else is gone, I thought, nah, like, because it only costs me 120 to go and buy them again. What I need is what I decided. So I just thought, oh, well, I'll put them up for 30. I was going to put them up for free, but I'm really glad I didn't. $30, that's five coffees.
You'll be able to buy some on Marketplace next time.